I've been receiving a lot of questions from current and future students about studying game development. Specifically, is there a demand for people who have game development skills? Is this a career that they should be pursuing, that they can pursue? Are they going to be able to make a living doing this? Frequently, this is a question asked by parents, but also by potential students or current students. I totally understand your concerns about the future of game development, especially as artificial intelligence continues to make so many advances so quickly. It seems like every week there's some new AI tool made available that looks like it will make your skills that you're learning completely obsolete. So, are you going to have a career? We're going to answer that question today. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe to say thank you. It can be intimidating thinking about investing your time, your money, your energy into a degree only to end up learning that it might be outdated within a few years. But don't worry, a degree in game development can actually give you a strong foundation of skills that can be applied to a wide range of industries, not just game development. Let me ask you a question. Why do you want to study game development? Do you want to entertain people? Tell interactive stories, work with latest technology, make the world a little better place by helping people deal with their daily struggles, or just give them a few minutes of distraction, a few minutes of socialization with people that live in a different part of the country or even the world. If these are possible responses, or your responses are like those of my students, then you're studying the right major. One of the benefits of game development degrees is that it teaches a diverse set of skills, including programming, design, art, 2D and 3D, animation, art styles, character creation, storytelling, and working with a variety of game engines. This makes graduates of game development degrees very well-rounded and very versatile in their careers. For example, if you end up wanting to switch to a different industry, your programming and design skills could be very valuable in fields like software development, simulation, virtual reality, augmented reality, or, dare we say it, the metaverse. It's also worth noting that game industry itself is constantly evolving and growing, so there will likely always be demand for skilled game developers. The secret that very few game development programs at universities talk about is that only a fraction of their graduates are hired by game studios. The rest are hired by other industries, and they usually make more money, that need people with these same skills that you're taught in game development. If you need someone to help you create a virtual reality, augmented reality, metaverse, mobile application, someone with a game development degree has the skills that you want. Now, before you launch into studying game design, you do need to make sure that you first look at where are you going to go to school. You need to go to some place that has been vetted as teaching the game development skills that you need. My recommendation, go to the Princeton Review website, take a look at their top 50 game design, preferably top 40 or even top 30 game design programs, and select one of the programs in this. These places have been independently verified as some of the top game design programs in the world. So take a look at those, use that to help you judge what's there. What are the resources at that university that are made available to the students? Do they help you get internships? Do they give you good feedback on your portfolio as you're creating that? Is the program project-based? Are they using the latest software? Are they using the latest technology? Or are they still teaching old stuff? Is the degree portfolio-based? Because game development is all about what you do. While your degree is essential, you need to have that degree to even be considered at most places. It's the portfolio, though, that will get you hired. If you don't have a strong portfolio, nobody's going to really look at you. Our students at my degree program spend months developing their portfolios before they graduate, and we won't let them graduate without a top-notch professional portfolio. And it shows, because our students do get placed in the industry. Is the program project based, or are they still giving you tests? Project, I've never been at a game studio that says, hey, we're creating this new game, take this test. No, they've got you creating applications, they've got you creating art assets, they've got you coding, they've got you making games. So if you're not making games in the degree, then you're not being well equipped for that program. Do you earn industry certifications as a part of that degree? Most top-notch game development degrees are keyed off of industry needs, and that means you are getting or earning industry certifications as you go through that degree. While it's not a requirement to get hired at most studios, having that certification does differentiate you from those who do not have that certification. If you're going to hire two people, one is certified, one is not certified, which person are you going to choose? You're probably going to go with the certified person. Finally, it's important to remember that learning to use the latest tools and technology is an ongoing process. No matter where you go to college or what you study, it'll be important to stay up to date with the latest development in your field. You can do this by taking online courses, participating in professional development opportunities, going to conferences, or subscribing to YouTube channels like this one. This is true for any industry, not just game development. I've been in this field for over 30 years, and I'm still constantly working on staying current and up to date on new things, and hopefully my channel reflects that. While it's natural to have concerns about the future, a degree in game development can give you a strong foundation of skills that can be applied in a variety of industries. By selecting a top college and staying current with the latest tools and technologies, you can set yourself up for success in your career. Don't worry, you can be successful in game development. Now make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so that you can stay up to date.